Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill. Class 5 English version Math Multiples and Factors chapter. Exercise 5. Exercise 5. Question number 4. There are 3 bells of different colors. The red bell rings every 18 minutes. Red bell rings every 18 minutes. The yellow bell rings every 15 minutes. And the green bell rings every 12 minutes. If they ring together at 6 p.m., they ring together first time at 6 p.m. Here at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. And this one also rings at 6 p.m. Now the question is, what time will they ring together next time? Next time when again they will ring together, all will ring. Now suppose this is point A, point A. Here they will ring again. Now for sure this will not ring before 18 minutes, or it will not take longer than 18 minutes. Always after 18 minutes, the red bell will ring. So that means when it rings here, that number is a multiple of 18. So we can write this multiple. We don't know the figure, how many minutes, but we know this is a multiple of 18. Similarly, here this number will be a multiple of 15. Multiple of 15. Similarly, every 12 minutes it will ring, and here this will be a multiple of 12. Multiple of 12. This is one number, and that number is multiple of 18, multiple of 15, and multiple of 12. What does this mean? And this is the first common number. That means this is least common multiple of 12, 15, and 18. Least common multiple of 12, 15, and 18. Now we have to find out the least common multiple, and that will be the answer. 12, 15, 18. We know how to find the least common multiple. We take a prime factor which divides at least 2 of these numbers. What about 2? 2 divides 12, 6 into 2, bring down 15, and 9 into 2. And 3 divides each of them. 3 into 2, 3 into 5, 3 into 3. So LCM equals to 2 into 3 into 2, 2 into 3 into 2, into 5 into 3, into 5 into 3, equals to 6 into 2, 12 into 5, 60 into 3, 180. 180. Unit is minute. Minute here they used 18 minutes, 15 minutes, 12 minutes. So 180 minutes means 3 hours. So 3 hours means this was 6 p.m. So 6 p.m. then 7 p.m. 7, then 8, then 9. This will be 9 p.m. So the answer is, therefore, the bells will ring 3 hours after 6 p.m. or at 9 p.m. Answer is 9 p.m. Thank you everyone. If you have a question, please write it in the comment box. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.